Hello and welcome to Nural Tech Apps. In this video tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using the Nural SFA app. Let's get started. Today, we're diving into the world of schemes, a powerful tool that can make a significant impact. Let's get started. To kick things off, click on the app icon to open the application. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home screen adorned with an array of module tiles. Navigate to the Schemes section by selecting the designated tile. It's a key element in unlocking opportunities, so let's explore. Within the Schemes section, a drop-down menu awaits, presenting all the uploaded schemes. Take a moment to explore, select, and view the schemes available to you. Here's where it gets interesting. Feel free to download any scheme you find appealing. The download option is right there, putting the power of schemes directly into your hands, and that's a quick guide to schemes, a feature designed to elevate your experience. We hope you find this tutorial helpful in using the Nural SFA app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for choosing Nural Tech Apps.